Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Silver and gold time, baby. All right. Where the hell did that come from? I click record on this recorder and then that comes out of my mouth. Anyway, I love what I do. I love trading, guys. Trading is simple. It's easy. It's fun. All you have to do is sit on your hands, that's the hard part, right? And do nothing until you have your setup up here. Anyway, look what's happening on the silver. On the silver. I mean, I'm having a good time today, aren't I? On the silver. On silver today. Look what's happening. Like, man, it's a big mess, isn't it? What a big mess. Came down. What do we have? We had this big channel here, didn't we? We had pretty much a really, really nice channel going through there. Boom, 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 break. But look at this here. Small bar. We're starting to slowly claw up, aren't we? Look at this weekly, but man, it's nothing there, is it? Absolutely nothing there. Even if I take this off the screen, let me delete that and delete that. Silver right now is, we need to see silver start to break above this 16 for any movement to start to see this thing. If we can break above 16, then I do see it then eventually getting back up to 21. Probably have a bit of a pause, a bit of a pullback there. And then I ultimately see this thing racing back up towards the highs up here at say 40 level on that there. But silver really needs to catch up to gold because this is, look at this here. Look at this. All right, silver, gold, silver. Look at this here. Last 3 months, down. That's silver, right? What is gold? Sideways, boom. I can say boom on this one. Boom goes the market, boom, 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 right? And look where we are right now. We're having a bit of a pause here. So I am expecting to see at least a little bit of a pullback here right now because we had a nice move up and we are at this level of resistance up here right now. So I am expecting to see some sort of a pullback here, but you know, we'll see. So beautiful sort of setup through there. On the bigger picture, look at this here, right? Let's go to the weekly chart. Right, let's go to say just the last couple of years on the weekly chart, right? So this is weekly chart. This is what? This is gold. Nice run up, nice pullback. What is this here? This is what? 50% or less, and then continue, right? So we're likely to break through up through here right now. This is a very powerful, very strong pattern in gold, right? So that's gold there. Now let's go have a look at silver. That's silver. Look at silver. It's like completely different, right? Gold. Nice strong run up, little pullback, and now it's gone. Now it looks like it's break up new highs. Silver is like down, little rally, and then back down again, almost to the lows around 14. And now it's just slightly trying to break above. But anyway, guys, so that's silver and gold right now. Gold, oh man, this is a very powerful pattern to see some long-term good movement in gold. Again, remember, guys, it's so important to remember when you're thinking about the market when I say a big bull run, in the next, over the next, say, 5 years, it means the weekly chart's going to go for a run like it has been, and then we're going to get a pullback for a few months, or maybe for a month, and then a run for a few months, and then sideways for a month or two, and then up. That's how the markets work. We don't just do this. Don't expect this. Okay? Because that's not likely to happen. So anyway, and with silver right now, guys, because gold is boom, silver's like meh, then silver will become boom soon. You know what I mean? Like we're going to start to get some big movements out of here. So I do believe, I had a mate just recently, and matey, you might be watching this video right now. All right. I had a mate recently. He's talking about, you know, the end of the world and blah, 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 all this type of shit. And I said, you know what? On the good news, silver and gold are going to make some phenomenal moves over the next 5 years. Silver and gold are going to make some phenomenal moves over the next 5 years. Investing, buy and hold, and don't give a shit what happens in the next few months, right? And so I said, if you're looking to do anything, then my recommendation would be to buy, you know, get into gold now and just hold it. And the thing is, like, it could go down, up, whatever, you know. But But that was my recommendation, or that was my recommendation to him if he wanted to do that. Obviously, there's no guarantees of making a profit in the markets. You guys know that. And Matty, if you're watching that, you know that yourself, right? But if you're looking to do anything, then gold is a phenomenal long term. And we all know that, right? It makes sense. Everything right now is what? In a big bull run, high. We know we're going to get into a recession. So as the recession starts and things start to crumble more over the next couple of years, guess what's going to boom, right? Silver and gold. Why? Because boom, silver and gold, especially like gold, right? What has gold been doing? Gold's not in a bubble. So whatever, look at this here. Whatever's been in a big bubble is going to collapse 50%, okay? And whatever is not in a bubble, whatever has been just being very quiet is going to make a big move. And this is the start here, I believe, of a nice big move to the upside. Again, this is a weekly chart here, so that could take 2 to 5 years to happen. Okay, so don't get your knickers in a knot saying it went down yesterday, John. You were wrong. Settle down. Don't get your knickers in a knot. Hey traders, I'm running a flash sale to my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course. And if you click on the very first link in the description, then you'll be able to go see all the details. So go click on that right now and go check it out before it ends.